wireless security camera powered by solar energy. Powered by the sun. SMONET Solar Cam stays on even on rainy days or complete connection loss, thanks to efficient solar charging in low light conditions. Even on rainy days, the product ensures long-lasting performance and reliable security, keeping your assets monitored and protected continuously, even on cloudy or rainy days. Whether you are a business owner who needs 24/7 monitoring or live in a rural area with limited internet, SMONET Solar Cam is a great, weather-resistant solution for you. SMONET Solar Cam supports router-based connectivity, ideal for rural areas or places without a reliable internet connection. By connecting to a local router, you can monitor your assets in real time using a SMONET WVR monitor, wireless video recorder. This setup ensures continuous monitoring even in remote locations, allowing you to protect your crops, livestock, equipment, or other assets without relying on traditional internet services. Perfect for online shoppers worried about package theft. SMONET Solar Cam provides real-time alerts and monitoring to prevent theft and provide evidence if it occurs. You can also communicate with visitors using the built-in microphone and speaker. Enhance security with advanced PIR motion detection sensor technology and AI smart alerts. Smart heat and motion sensors eliminate false triggers, ensuring you only receive alerts for real events. Capable of detecting motion up to 23 feet, 7 meters, away. AI technology also recognizes a variety of objects, including people, faces, animals, vehicles, and bicycles, reducing the number of alerts wrong and give you the correct message. Google Nest Protect Smoke Alarm. Smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors emit a friendly voice to give you early warning when there is smoke or CO in your home. The split-spectrum sensor looks for both fast and smoldering fires and tells you where the danger is. With the app's silence feature, you can turn off the smoke alarm with your phone in the Nest app when there's just a little smoke. With the safety check feature, you can test all your smoke and CO detectors with just one tap and get a full report when the test is complete. Receive phone notifications so you know what's happening. Something is wrong even when you are away from home. Connect Nest Protect to Wi-Fi and it will send an alert to your phone if an alarm goes off or the battery is low. Normally Nest Protect turns off the lights, but when you walk underneath it, Path Light can light your way, tells you what and where. It will speak up to let you know if there is smoke or CO and where the problem lies, so you know what to do. SMONET Smart Door Lock. SMONET Smart Door Lock has an alloy body with built-in backlight. Alarm will be activated in case of any unauthorized attempt to open the keypad lock latch. Keyless entry door lock. Access your 9-in-1 smart door lock with TT-Lock/PC/iWatch smartphone app. Support working with Alexa and Google Home. Bring more smart conveniences to your home. The electronic door lock supports 50 fingerprints and over 250 different user codes, allowing you to remotely create and share one-time, permanent, scheduled, and recurring codes. Perfect for Airbnb, offices, and hotels. The digital door lock control app and web portal can be used permanently. Clevedog Indoor Security Camera. Welcome Clevedog, the vigilant guardian of your home. With a convenient integrated display and advanced technology, Clevedog helps you monitor your home's safety with ease. With Clevedog at home, you can easily monitor every inch of your house whenever you're there. Whether it's children's laughter echoing in the bedroom or furry friends frolicking in the kitchen, Clevedog ensures you never miss a heartwarming moment. Clevedog boasts a built-in display, ensuring seamless live video calls for you and your loved ones. Anytime, anywhere, you can enjoy seamless live video chats with your family. Anytime, anywhere. Plus, with intuitive one-click emergency calling, help is just moments away. Equipped with motion tracking, infrared night vision, and 1080p HD clarity, Clevedog ensures you never miss a moment, day or night. If it detects any unusual activity, it will send an immediate alert to your phone, ensuring you're always informed and ready to respond. When darkness falls, Clevedog's infrared night vision mode comes into play, delivering unrivaled clarity out to an impressive range of 8 meters. With this advanced feature, Clevedog will meticulously monitor every corner of your home, ensuring nothing escapes its sight. Vigek makes smart homes. Vigek Wi-Fi Smart Doorbell is a doorbell that can meet almost every need of every family member to protect home security. It includes but is not limited to the following features: real-time video, door opening alarm, motion detection, real-time monitoring, WeChat connection, cloud storage, Wi-Fi remote video. Vigek Wi-Fi Smart Doorbell can be connected to your phone via home Wi-Fi. When the bell is activated, a visitor rings the doorbell, the door opens, someone passes or stands in front of the door, or monitoring time begins. You will receive a notification and video. Proactive monitoring and time monitoring. Vigek Wi-Fi Smart Doorbell supports both real-time monitoring and real-time monitoring. No matter when or where, you can watch online video to see what's happening in real time when you click the Start Monitoring button. If you set the monitoring time in advance, when the setup time comes, your doorbell will automatically send live video to your phone. Cloud storage. After opening cloud storage, all videos will be saved. You can play them back at any time. Additionally, this function can avoid the risk of losing footage from a micro SD card and ensure all recorded videos are safe, secure, and protected with the most efficient compression and high data protection. Best. PaintCam recognizes faces and shoots AI paint guns. Your safety and the well-being of your loved ones are our top priorities. You can always disable the armory system, add new faces to the facial recognition system, and make sure Eve only works when you want it to. Your safety and the well-being of your loved ones are our top priorities. You can always disable the armory system, add new faces to the facial recognition system, and make sure Eve only works when you want it to. PaintCam's advanced technology detects both humans and pets, using advanced facial recognition technology to distinguish between welcoming guests and potential intruders. In the event of an unwanted intrusion, our system will spring into action, deploying paintball or tear gas markers to deter intruders and mark them for easy access by authorities. Easy identification. PaintCam takes action, accurately marking intruders using paintballs or tear gas rounds. With advanced AI technology, Eve can detect and track objects in real time while adapting seamlessly to challenging low light conditions. Through our app, choose and identify the areas you want to protect, whether it's your front door or your prized possessions. With PaintCam comes personalized protection, ensuring your space is fortified exactly as you envisioned. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next interesting videos. Please leave a comment if you have questions or comments. See you again in upcoming videos.